Hello guys, here we are. Here we are in the new video. Here today, this video is going to be the recipe video. Yeah, today we are going to make chatpate within low budget. Yeah, within only in 50 rupees we can make nasta for 3 or 4 people. First of all, I'm going to show you what are the material item needed for making chatpate. Okay, cameraman, yeah, come here. First of all, I have bring this item from shop near to our home. Yeah, first of all, we need this bhuja. This we can get in only in 20 or 25 rupees. First item is this, and after that we can buy a noodle. This cost is only 20 rupees, and yeah, we must need this lemon item for making tasty. Yeah, this cost only 5 rupees per lemon. 10 rupees this. Yeah, okay, this is depend on your choice. This is not much necessary, but to increase the taste, you can buy the namkeen also. Yeah, and also we need this chana or anything you can, and this is dhania. Yeah, dhania pudina, you know that. Yeah, you need this also. Yes, okay, after that we need this onion, pyaz, you know that very well. Yeah, let us
consider.
let us start our recipe video. Okay guys, watch till end. This is a recipe video guys. If you should make this machine. Good. You can take 2 ghursan each. You can also cut these without doing. This
यसको पछि हाल्ने माथिबाट
गिना हाल्ने
गेडामा कति हाल्ने
आटा बनाऊ
यस खतम ओके प्लिज खतम झर्ने हो तिम्रो सुरसुरको चक्करमा
Hey guys, our chapati is ready within only 50 rupees and we are going to eat this. Malai pani dekhao. So me also. Yeah, we are going to eating. Let me show the taste. It's taste.
ए भाइ ए
Wow, fun. What's